This drone will go head-to-head with DJI Mavic 2 Pro, Zoom, and Enterprise.
I've been a bad drone.
Hey guys, welcome to Need to Know. I don't know about you, but I can't wait for January. Normally, we'd be in a food coma after the holidays, but with CES coming up, we're planning to eat less and join the Las Vegas fun, especially since we heard DJI is getting serious competition right about then. We're not talking about weak attempts like the defunct Karma was, or the likes of Parrot and Unique, but a record-breaking drone, an 8K drone. I mean, whoa, but also, do we need that? The answer is probably not if you're a casual drone user, but definitely yes if you're an aerial videographer. I mean, this drone will go head-to-head with DJI Mavic 2 Pro, Zoom, and Enterprise. Yes, it can run against 3 of DJI's drones, though the Mavic 2 Pro is the one it's hoping to best. It has some big ambitions, no doubt about that. So, what's the name of this underdog? Autel EVO 2. If you haven't heard about them before, you should know this. Autel is all about disruption. The first EVO was a shocker because it recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second, something the Mavic 2 Pro still can't do, at $400 less than the DJI's drone. And the EVO 2 could destroy DJI for good.
This is the fight everybody's been waiting for. This is gonna be like 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, and you out.
The rumored specs are just out of this world, and it will definitely sell for less than the M2 Pro. From what we've heard, EVO 2 will show up at CES with not 1, not 2, but 3 interchangeable modules. Let that sink in. Why 3? Well, one will shoot in 8K at 25 FPS or 6K at 30 FPS and, of course, 4K at up to 60 FPS. This one will get you at 48 megapixel stills. The second gimbal has a 1-inch sensor and adjustable lens that can shoot up to 6K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, which is so much more than the Mavic 2 Pro can do. As for photos, you'll count on 20 megapixel ones. Okay, so how can the third one top that craziness? By doubling it. Autel knows as well as we do that besides photography, drones are used a lot and successfully in research and rescue missions and industrial fields. So the third one mixes the 8K sensor with an infrared one. Guys, can you see what's happening here? Every module turns this one drone, the EVO 2, in a rival for 3 separate DJI ones. I mean, for sales, I bet it's good to launch many products, each slightly different from the other, like DJI does. But won't the consumer prefer an all-in-one product instead of many? That's the threat DJI is facing in the end. But okay, a drone is more than lenses and stabilization. How is EVO 2 handling obstacles, speed, flight time? Slightly better than the Mavic 2 Pro on all accounts. Almost. For a drone that will hopefully sell for under $2,000, EVO 2 has 35 minutes of flight time, same maximum speed, but 16 miles of range, more than Mavic 2 Pro can offer. Mavic 2 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, but it can see left and right only in active tracking mode. EVO 2, however, is 360-degree aware of its surroundings. Another thing we loved about the previous EVO was the OLED controller. While Mavic 2 Pro sends you the feed on your phone, EVO 2 does it on a built-in crisp-clear OLED display. No need to check the battery of your phone or spend time connecting it to the drone. We also liked the wider field of view on the first EVO versus Mavic 2 Pro. You should expect it on the EVO 2. So what do we know at this point? If Autel's drone has geofencing and built-in storage like Mavic 2 Pro, is the lack of them a deal breaker though? I don't know. What do you think? Oh, if we're talking about exciting drones that are not from DJI, have you seen the Skydio 2? Man, they've done a really good job with it. At $999, it's got better recording than DJI's M2 Pro and definitely better obstacle avoiding features. Skydio is so sure it won't crash, it actually gives you free repair services. It's gonna be a rough start of the year for DJI. Skydio and Autel are bringing the heat, and we hope that DJI doesn't get burned. I mean, better lower the prices and give us 8K recording, DJI. We're all for friendly competition when it brings really awesome tech right where we want it, in our hands, ready to test and play with. Let us know if you take a risk with EVO 2, if these specs turn out to be right. And don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to see more videos like this. See ya, guys! Oh, and New Balance 2019, the real Mickey Mouse, says hi.